Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back here with 3 different things that I have ordered and have come in. One of them is a subscription, and I wanted to share all the rest with you. So, I'm working on my Christmas cards and cards for the troops, and I saw these darling dies, and I hope you guys can see those. Well, it looks like you can. And these were on Amazon, and I have something similar to it but not the same, and I really like the size of this one. So you get the star, you get Joseph and Mary, you get, let me think, what is that? I can't remember. Oh, that may be the shepherd, praying or bowing down. And then of course you get the little town of Bethlehem. And so I loved this, and I thought it was so pretty. It was very affordable. I can't remember how much it was, but do a search on, and you can see that one better with Mary, Joseph, and then she's riding on the donkey. So, but I will try to find the link and link it below. This was very, very affordable. It came fairly quickly. So, but always remember, when you order these kinds of dies on Amazon, they take much longer than regular dies because you don't get Prime on these. So, or I did not. So, okay, so there is that. Pardon me. And this is from an Etsy shop, and I will link it below because, lo and behold, there isn't a name on there. I thought for sure I had saved that. But these are just Christian stickers that I can use in my planner. I can use it in card making. I can use it in journaling, the whole bit. And I can even use this in Bible journaling. So I love these. These are the scriptures. So we do not know what to do, but our eyes are on you. And that's 2 Corinthians 20:12. And then let's see, come near to God and He will come near to you, James 4:8. Now I will tell you, during the Bible journaling camp, I was taking public, graphics and putting them together, and I wasn't selling them, I was giving them, so it was all okay. But I found that some of the addresses were incorrect. I don't think that's true here because this person is really kind and sweet. But whenever you order anything like this, always double check the address and make sure that the scripture is correct, because sometimes they aren't. Now, I'm not saying this about this particular person, but it's just always good to check. Okay, so, and I picked up 1, 2, 3, and I'm really going to use these probably in reality more in my Bible journaling. So, all right, and then my journals. Okay, so lastly, I also get pip sticks, and this is for, I believe, the month of August. I am late. So I think it's about I am this month. I can't remember. So then they give you this card to fill out, I am, and then you leave it blank, and then you can journal. So that would be perfect in a journal. You always get these little catalogs that let you know, give you some ideas, other things they have, which is always fun. But everything comes like this. So one of you, dear sweet subscribers, let me know that these tickets are from the previous month, and then I guess they do a drawing of some sort. So, or they draw this one the next month. I'm not quite sure about that, but you can go back to the website if you get this, and you'll double check those tickets. I will actually use them in my junk journals. So, and this is the August Pro Club, and I found out about this because of Amy Tangerine, or Amy Tan. So I thought, wow, that's neat. And I kind of like them because they're little stickers. So here we go. I'm just going to turn it like that. I hope it, oh, that is too much for y'all. Hold on. Let me do it like this. That is better. Okay, so my ticket can go over here. But isn't that cute? Look at that. Oh, I love the bookworm and the pencil and the ladybug, and just super cute. And then here is a set of flowers with lots of really pretty kind of coppery gold foiling. Sorry guys. So you can see that. I love that. Okay, so both of those are foiled similarly. And then here's some little bitty tiny with words like happy, hopeful, hungry, bummed, strong, grouchy, fierce, on and on. So I'm going to lay that flat for a minute so you can see it. these are stickers too. These are perfect for planners or whatever you want to use them in, a journal. So as you can see, they kind of just split apart right there. Super cute. And then I love these. So these are just, if you can see, they're like little stitched fun things. It's called a mood tracker of some sort, but I would just use it as decoration. But isn't that pretty? And I love all the rose gold foiling. Sorry, my voice is acting funny. I also got a thank you, yay, kind of coloring sticker sheet to color with. I thought that was fun. Look at all these words. Hoping you can see all those. So, let's see. There is, I am clever, worthy, brave, unstoppable, hilarious, fearless, strong, trying, kind, brave, enough, bold, fun, becoming, smart, warm, I am fabulous, grateful, I am loved, powerful, generous, creative, fluffy, beautiful, and me. I love those. I think they are darling. And they have that same kind of rose gold on the outside of the pink. Super pretty. And here's one for all the stitching and sewing, because that carries over from here too. They kind of interestingly tie together. And then this is a big sticker that you put on the outside of your journal for the month or wherever you would like to use it. So she's cute. That's little cacti you'll see in a minute. And then look at that. I love the lemons and the tea and all of that. The aloe vera, the succulents, just really pretty. So pretty. Okay. And then here's one that reminds me of my grandmother with all the old Corelle dishes. I have some of hers because I wanted them because they were hers. And I never use them. I need to break them out and use them. But isn't that fun? I'm from that era. I remember those. Okay, and then look at this little goat. Isn't that cute? That's just a fun sticker. And even if this isn't something that you would use, I would get out my punch and I would use it. I would find a way to use that. And then here is alphabets. I'm just going to turn it there like that. I hope you can see it. Yeah. So the same lettering as the words before, but it is alphabetic. And instead of pink, it's blue on the inside. So super cute. And then here is the rest of the desert cacti right there, like the big sticker. So look at those cactus. Ooh, gold. Alright, and then last but not least, here is that beautiful gardening one with all the fun birds. And I thought that was charming. So, that's it from my mailbox and my happy mail, so to speak. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will try to leave a link to everything below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or email me at josephinesdesigns.com. You know, please, it gives me feedback on whether you guys like these videos or not, if you like the shares. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. We are getting ready to, we have a drawing going on right now, but you must be subscribed to be a part of it. It's a planner for the new year. Also, or a journaling, a bullet journal. So, and it's really cute. And then when we hit 1,200, I have a big drawing for a very nice big planner. So, and then also, so I said subscribe, leave a comment, sorry guys, and forward this if this would encourage anybody else. Alright, my dear sweet friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. I'm just kind of bumbling through this at the end, sorry guys, but I will be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.